This is such a beautiful home, the exterior as well as the interior. Hello everyone. My name is Jemitrice Kelly and I go by JKelly Sells Real Estate. I'm a hands-on realtor that prides myself on the exceptional service that I provide each client. This stunning home is located in Apopka, Florida. I love Apopka, Florida. I was raised in Apopka, Florida. I went to Apopka High School. This is a city of diversity. This is a city of family. This is a city of love. And this is just a city that if you don't already live in Apopka, I would definitely highly suggest and recommend you moving to Apopka. I love Apopka, Florida. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel for more content, and please hit the bell so you can be notified when I have new uploads. Again, if you're in need of a realtor and would like a private tour, please contact me. I would love to help you and guide you as you're on your new home journey. If you enjoy touring beautiful homes, you can also, of course, please subscribe to my channel. I try to only advertise homes that I will live in myself. I have to love it to sell it. So please go ahead and click subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. My handle on there is JKelly Sells Real Estate as well. Your needs are always a priority with me. Again, please go ahead and subscribe and enjoy the rest of the tour.